Hi, I'm Russell Ray, Chief Editor of Power Engineering Magazine. 2 new large-scale solar farms will be up and running in South Carolina by the end of 2016. Cypress Creek Renewables will spend more than $20 million on 2 10-megawatt solar projects in Lexington County. The projects are part of the company's plan to build 1,000 megawatts of large-scale solar capacity by the end of 2016. Sustainable Energy Solutions is working with Cypress to identify the 2 sites and secure the necessary permits. In the U.S., the biggest trend in power generation is the transition to more gas-fired power. We recently sat down with Alap Shah of Black & Veatch to discuss this emerging market. Here's some of what he had to say.
At this point of time, flexible power generation is the name of the game, and the reason for that is our clients are looking for covering a big envelope of uncertainty created by several factors in the industry going on right now. The uncertainty is created by, the ambiguity in the energy policies, such as clean power plant, uncertainty around natural gas pricing. Right now we are enjoying lower natural gas pricing, but if LNG exports and fracking, if there are any issues on fracking, then that can change in the next 5 to 10 years. How much renewable will be integrated in the grid? That's another question. And lastly, coal-fired plants. How many coal-fired plants would be retired?
To see the full interview with Alap Shah of Black & Veatch, just go to the Power Engineering website. In other news, MidAmerican Energy said it will spend $900 million to build 2 new wind farms in northwest Iowa. The new projects will feature 134 wind turbines at the Ida Grove Wind Farm and 104 turbines at the O'Brien Wind Farm. Together, the 2 projects will be able to generate up to 552 megawatts of power. Both projects are expected to be completed by the end of 2016. By then, MidAmerican will have more than 2,000 wind turbines in Iowa. MidAmerican Vice President Mike Geringer said by the end of this year, wind will be the company's largest source of power. Florida Power and Light has been buying power from the Cedar Bay Generating Station since 1988. The power purchase agreement runs until 2024 and includes operating and maintenance expenses. Last week, state regulators approved the utility's plan to buy the 250-megawatt coal-fired plant. But the utility intends to close the plant by 2017. Once the sale is finalized, the utility will terminate the long-term power purchase agreement and cut the plant's output 90%. In addition to cutting carbon emissions, the plant's closure will save customers more than $70 million. The deadline to submit your nominations for Power Engineering's Projects of the Year Awards has been extended to September 18th. Eligible projects must be commissioned between August 1, 2014 and July 31, 2015. To submit your nominations, just go to the Power Engineering website. Well, that's your power generation news for now. Thanks for watching, and be sure to look for this newscast twice a week on the Power Engineering website. For Power Engineering Magazine, I'm Russell Ray.